Welcome back, welcome back. I am finishing up this left eye. Good morning to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is for you in your part of the world. We're going to finish up this eyebrow real quick. Make sure you use a very sharp liner, eyebrow liner. Just touching it up a little bit. Go back and look at those other two videos from previously. I really botched these eyebrows up before, but I had to start all over. Be that as it may, nothing's perfect. Okay, now we're going to clean up using tart shape tape. By the way, this disclaimer indicates this is not a sponsored video. I do not have any financial ties to Ulta or the makers of tart shape tape. This is just simply the product that I use. So we're going to take a little bit of that. Put a little bit of oil in there to loosen up, and I'll show you how to dab it up. Okay, flat brush. Flat brush. Steady hand. You can do this if you want. Hold yourself up against if you don't have a steady hand enough. But again, this takes practice, so you really just want to lightly go underneath the eyebrows. Take your time, because this is where it starts to look really good, really clean. Don't worry about that little clip right there. We'll fix that. That's the reason why you use this flat brush, so that you can get these under edges. Now that you've gotten that taken care of, you can just go in and clean it up a little bit. The purpose of cleaning this up is going to make your brows, your eyes look way cleaner and sharp. This also serves as a base when you get ready to put your eyeshadow on. Okay, let's do the top part, and we are almost done. See how clean that looks? I mean, we're not all perfect, but we want to look decent. Some people say, well, I don't care how I look. I go out the house looking, I don't really care. Well, this video is not for you then. Those of you who do care. Like me, I care about how I look. I don't know about you, but I hope you do too. So we're going to clean this up and just dab it out a little bit with some aspirin. I have no financial ties to this product either. I am getting no sponsorship. I just like this product, so there's my disclaimer on that, and my disclaimer will follow as well in the description. So in order to just get the oiliness out, we're gonna dab it with this. Just gonna dab it. The point of this is really when you get ready to put your eyeshadow on. That's if you do want to put eyeshadow on, you can put a little light coat, and I'll show you how to do that. But if you don't want to put any eyeshadow on, and you want to go with the more natural look, you can go with the more natural look. Gotta fix that. That's okay. But the point is showing you how to dab that out a little bit and get that a little flatter and a little matter. Flatter and matter. Yeah. You might think, oh yeah, you look kind of crazy, but don't worry. We're going to blend everything out. We can just take a little brush. clean it up a little bit. All right, stay tuned. We're getting ready to do the eyes with the red. Gonna do the eyes going in with this product here from Sephora. Oh, Ulta, by the way. Again, no copyright claims. Just a product that I use. I'm not tied to them financially, nor am I getting any financial gain. So stay tuned. We're gonna do the eyes next. Let's do it.